Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Gather the desired ingredients to be cooked and fill the water tank to the maximum fill line with the desired liquid. Starchy foods such as rice are recommended to rinse thoroughly before cooking for optimal cooking performance. Rinse the rice until water is no longer cloudy or for 15 to 30 seconds. Turn the power switch to the on position located to the left side of the appliance. From the Select Mode screen, select the desired food to be cooked. Select the food type and allow the prompts to add the desired food. No measuring cups are needed. The grain and rice cooker will automatically sense the weight of the food when pouring it into the ceramic pot. While on the weight screen, the units of measure, cups, ounces, grams, can be changed on the screen by tapping the three dots on the right. For best results, level the food inside the pot for even cooking. Select Next. Follow the prompts to finalize your cooking selections. Select the food preparation, liquid, and texture to the desired cooking preference. Selections can be made by tapping on the screen and scrolling or leaving it as is before proceeding to cook. Select Start to begin the cooking cycle or Delayed Cook if a later cooking completion time is preferred. Delayed Cook can be programmed to start up to 24 hours later. The grain and rice cooker will automatically dispense water into the pot and start cooking and provide an estimated cook time to help plan when to serve the meal. When cooking is about to complete, a countdown timer will appear and audibly notify you when the cooking has been completed. When finished, the grain and rice cooker will automatically switch to keep warm mode for up to 6 hours. The ceramic pot will be hot. To remove, use pot holders. Allow the unit to cool down for 30 minutes between cooking cycles before starting again.